guys. Yes, it's January and I still have my tree on. I warned you guys before in my empty apartment tour that I was gonna have it on. But anyways, why am I getting defensive over the tree? And the vlog just started. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Del Sol if you're new here, but if you're not new here, hey girl, welcome back. We are getting ready to go to work. It is 7:30 a.m. I go in at 8:30, but I kind of want to go in a little bit earlier today because we have a busy day, girl, okay? So one of my bosses, I have two, a guy and a girl. The girl is sick, and so she's out with COVID. And I'm a little paranoid because my throat hurts so bad. And yesterday I was dying of a headache. I ended up laying down like at 8 p.m. I still got up after that, took a shower, did some laundry, but I'm not feeling 100%. I don't know if I'm just being paranoid or like it's a placebo effect or if I really am getting sick, but I took some medicine, but the show must go on. We have a lot of stuff to do today. I actually just filmed an unboxing of my new Gucci bag, girl. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go watch it. I'm gonna link it up here. But I got this when I went on vacation. I have had it in the box for quite literally a month maybe, because I really wanted to film it. So please, please, please go watch that video if you haven't already. Okay, I needed to get a tripod because my arms they're not giving long. Anyways, that is the plan today. We have a lot going on. I have to go to work and then I have a meeting that I have to leave work for to go do that in downtown LA, so that'll be nice. It's just a lot of networking, girl. If you're new here, I work in insurance, so it's a lot of networking, a lot of ass kissing, a lot of connections. It's so fun and I love it. I feel like I've grown into my role so much within the past year. But anyways, you guys, I gotta go. So I turned the tree off and we gotta go. I already made a coffee at home, so let's get to work and I will take you guys with me today.
Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you wanted. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money.
I left work a little early because I needed to come charge my car. Charged it for a couple minutes. Thank God for a supercharger because it's like 10 minutes and I'm already at like 43%. So that's awesome. Now I'm heading to downtown, which is gonna take, according to my maps, about 24 minutes, which is good. I'll have like 9 minutes to spare, so hopefully parking isn't bad because I really do not want to be late for this meeting. It's really, really fun. I feel like it's an industry that I didn't even know existed, and now that I'm in it, the harder you work, the more money you make, and you can kind of shoot for the stars. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing what I do, which is shoot for the stars. I really want to be able to buy myself a house. I want to buy my mom a house. I want to be able to take care of my grandparents because they're getting older. Girl, I am trying to shoot for the moon, honey. My boss is really, really supportive, which is good. So he's taking me on some visits with clients. There's one account specifically that I worked on recently that, not gonna lie, I slayed the house down. So we're gonna go meet them right now. And then after that, we have another meeting, which I'm really, really excited to be a part of. And then after that, we have a bowling event with another one of our clients. So today's kind of like, we're girl bossing. We're hopping from here to here to here. I'm basically doing sales, which I don't mind doing sales because I love people. And one thing about me, I love chatting. I love talking. I love relating to people. Of course, I got my bag, girl. Like I told you guys this morning, so cute. But if you can see, I'm driving, so bear with me. But if you can see this bag, it's not the base bag because I know base has like a work tote like that. That's like a faux, what is it, like snake or crocodile print? I can't even tell. They have one of those, super cute, but I got mine on Amazon. Honestly, for the length of time that I've had it, it stayed pretty sturdy and it still looks good. I also want to make like a plus size work outfit video, so look out for that next. If you're not subscribed, bestie, join the fam, subscribe, stay with me, girls, stay with me. Anyways, I am 15 minutes away and I need to chug this tea. I don't even know what tea, it's just, oh, it's a breakfast blend, but girl, I don't have any cream, sugar, honey, nothing to put in here. And when I tell you it is bitter, it is bitter. But I need all the caffeine that I could get. So cheers, bestie. Let's go into this meeting. Let's kill it. And then I will check in with you guys later. Besties, my car is stuffed to the brim, okay? I literally just bought a TV, a little like buffet cabinet to put my laundry stuff in the hallway, a new bed set because Luna peed on mine and I was not about to wash it, so she got kicked to the curb. And I got a Starbucks because I need a coffee. As you can tell, your bestie is sick today. The last time I recorded was, I think, Tuesday. It's now Thursday. The bowling event was really fun, but I think being out there like in the streets and around so many people just like ramped up my sickness, because everybody else is literally fine. No one feels anything. So I think because I was already coming down with a cold, being around like so many foreign germs just got me a lot more sick. So I'm working from home today. Like I said, today's Thursday, and I just came to pick up my drive up, which was crazy. So shout out to the Target drive up people because they were so sweet. I had to take the TV out of the box because the box, there's no way it was gonna fit in the car. So I just have the TV, the little bag with the accessories, and then just all this random stuff.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. Baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you.
Guys, the new TV, she's giving. Before I assemble this big cabinet that's gonna go next to my laundry room, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I got at Target. Look at this beautiful marble like utensil holder. I got this because my mom got me a really nice set of utensils from Amazon as part of one of my Christmas gifts, and I love them. They're nice, they're neutral, they're like a grayish nude, but they came with a container that I don't know why the container that it came with is too small for the utensils. Like anytime you take one out, it like moves the whole thing. They're just too stuffed in there. So then I got this one, and I feel like this one goes really good with the decor. I'm really into marble, as you'll see in the theme of everything else I got. For the restroom, I've had my eye on these pieces for so long as part of the Target like home collection. They have these, I'm gonna link them down below, but I've had them in my cart forever, and tell me why when I was finally ready to check out today, they were on sale. So I'm gonna link them down below. Hopefully they're still on sale by the time you guys see this. But look how pretty. All this stuff is really good quality. It's super heavy. So it's just like this gray toned marble tray, and I got this because when I'm like washing my face and stuff, sometimes I have jewelry on. I want to put my jewelry in here, but I want to put like the soap and then the next thing that I got on one side. I feel like that'll look really cute. Right now I have like a round one that I was using for my coffee table, so I might move that back to my coffee table and use this, but we'll see how it looks. This is so cute. And then the one that's part of the same collection is this. Look how pretty. It's like this marble canister. It's more like a concrete, honestly, but it's super cute. This is all by Casa Luna, which I have a Luna in my casa, so that makes sense. It's made in India, so that's nice. Genuine marble. What more can you ask for, girl? I got this to put cotton rounds and maybe if they fit some Q-tips, because I have nowhere to put that. I'm putting it in the cabinet, but you know when you get out of the shower, you're doing your skincare, like going all the way to the cabinet? Too far. I feel like this, so cute. Isn't that just chef's kiss? Imagine this with like a soap on the side. Super cute. And then I think I was telling you guys this in the last video, but where the heck are all my utensils? I ended up getting this set because I've seen it at Target forever. This is by Room Essentials, but look how cute. It's like a grayish black. Super cute. I got these because I don't have any forks. 20 pieces is a really good price too. They don't feel like the most luxurious, but who cares? Silverware is silverware, or flatware is flatware. Aside from the TV and this buffet cabinet, that's all I got. But let me show you what this buffet cabinet is looking like. Okay, it's upside down right now, but hopefully you guys can see what it's giving. Isn't that so cute? In the hallway next to my washer dryer, there's like a little corner. I feel like this will fit perfectly. So I'm gonna put it together. I didn't do any measurements, girl, and I'm still not gonna do measurements. I could easily measure this and see if it's gonna fit, but ain't nobody got time for that.
I don't know. Find the half-wits.
Find the half-wits.
I serve the stocks. If you think you can hold it off, hit it!
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Dragon.
Okay, this is what the buffet cabinet ended up looking like. I'm obsessed with it. I think it fits perfectly. It's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, so it does hang out a little bit right here. I like it here for now. I was actually using it to like fold some clothes. Look how pretty the bathroom stuff came out. So I like that I can put my rings right there. I like that in here I ended up putting, like I said, the cotton rounds and some Q-tips. This little lady, I've had her for a while. I got this and the little fake pompous from Shein, actually. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll see if I can find it again and then link it. I think it looks so good. And then over here is what the utensil holder looks like. I love it. I like that it's it has like felt on the bottom, so it doesn't, or what is that called? It has like some sort of material on the bottom so that it doesn't really slide easily, which I like, so it stays in place, especially because with having so many of these, it can get heavy and the other one would like tip over. I really need to clean up. Honestly, you guys, it's Sunday, but I'm still feeling so bad. Yesterday, I woke up feeling better, but today I just woke up feeling a little more sick. This guy, I don't know if I want to hang it up over there where the buffet cabinet is or what. I just have like random decor sitting here. Stuff I need to pick up. My freaking medicines over here. Clearly, I still have things to put away, but honestly, you guys, I am beat. I feel like I'm getting sicker again, and it's Sunday. Thank God we have tomorrow off for Martin Luther King Day, and I'm not showing myself on camera because, girl, you don't want to see it. So I think I'm just gonna hang out. I'm watching this show, The Brother's Son, which is actually really, really good. So if you guys want to check it out, it's on Netflix. I love it so far. But I'm gonna hang out here. I think once I'm done with the show, I'm probably gonna read and just hang out because I'm sickness, girl. I think I might actually make myself a miso soup. I had bought these little instant miso soups a long time ago from the Korean market, and they look really good. I've had them before, so I think I'm gonna make one of these, chill out, hang out on the couch, and just relax, because I'm dying. I'm dying. What the hell? I'm out of face wipes. Bestie, we're on our way to a massage. Dang it! And that's what I was gonna bring. I was gonna bring a book. Usually when I come, I bring a book, and I come a little early so that I can read until it's my turn. And then when I get out, I like to either go to the hot tub or just lounge around, and I read there. I'm super bummed that I didn't bring a book. Dang, that sucks. Well, it's fine because it's 11:30. It's 8:30 and my appointment's at 9 and I still need to shower. So I think I'm just gonna go in there, shower, have my appointment, and then when I get out, I guess I'll just go home. Because they have a bookstore near it, but honestly, I always go there and buy more books, and my to be read section is humongo. Like, I have so many books that I still need to read, and I just keep buying more. I'm feeling a little bit better, and yes, I took a couple COVID tests and they were all negative. I got the regular old cold flu. That's why I'm gonna shower before I go in and see the massage therapist. That way I'm all clean. I take all the germs off because I was too dead last night to take a shower. And I usually take a shower every night before bed, but last night I was like, there's literally nobody here because there's so much parking. Anyways, you guys, let's go inside. I did reheat my coffee from yesterday that I didn't finish. I can't take you guys in there with me because there's no cameras, but I will see you right after. Did I not go in there saying that I wasn't gonna buy a book? Guess who bought a book? But girl, I was reading the preface. It looks so good. It looks so good. It's called These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. It's a New York Times bestseller. And I say this all the time, you guys, but I'm basic. So if it's a New York Times bestseller, if people are talking about it, I'm gonna like it.
I think if we went back and we said we took anybody, just pick a name and protect them.
I'm telling you, I'm good.
Who do we want to protect from going?
Then we are going to put Jake. Oh, you know, we had his power.
Are you so good at that?
She's Nigerian.
Nigeria. And it really...
They're like so big.
We're only talking astrology now.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo.